Hey guys, welcome back to DJ's Workshop. We're going to take a little stroll out to the garden today. We've got a nice spring day going on here. Finally, after a bunch of days of wind and rain and all that fun stuff. So we're doing a little bit different garden this year. Every year we try to spice it up a little bit and try something different and see what works and what doesn't. So let's take a walk out here, see what's going on. Alright, so this year we took all our compost piles that we had and we used them up in the garden. So we're starting a couple of new piles here. I do have a bunch of garlic that's growing over here. But here's the garden area, and I want to show you what we did different this year. So last year we basically just planted in the ground, but this year I wanted to go with some raised beds. So I made 2 wooden beds, but then we also bought 2 of these beds. And reason being is last year we had tons of weeds all in the ground here, and I got tired of trying to dig them all up and keep it clean. So we decided we're going to go with raised beds this year, and I'm just going to throw down a whole bunch of leaves, which I did to keep the weeds down, and it's been working great. I haven't seen any weeds coming up through, because that's a real pain in the butt when you have to keep weeding and all of this stuff. So when we did the raised beds, we set it up what they call layering, and basically what I did was I put a screen wire mesh on the very bottom, then you put some cardboard on top of that, and then you put a bunch of sticks and some rocks just to build it up a little bit and give it some drainage. And then we took some of the compost and laid a layer of that on there, and then I took some of the really good soil that I had. So a lot of the soil that was on the ground here, as you saw from my videos in the previous years, with some really good soil that I had bought. And now that I'm not using it on the ground here, I basically just tilled it up and shoveled it up and then filled up these raised beds with it. So we got all really good soil in here. You can see I got some broccoli growing here. We just planted those a couple of weeks ago. Those are doing really good. I threw some green beans in, and I just basically threw some seeds in there, and now they're growing, so those will be off and running pretty soon. We have the the cattle panels like we had last year, so that'll grow up and over those. Over here we have some onions slowly growing, and we got to plant some more stuff. It's still early in the season. We're going to do some tomatoes and peppers, and we're going to do some probably zucchinis, cucumbers, things like that. So still in the early stages here, but we do have a couple things in the ground here that we started. I do have a couple of things in the area over here. These are, I believe those are onions. They could be onions or garlic, I'm not sure. And then we got some asparagus growing over here. Those take a few years to get going, so we'll get those started. But that's what's going on in here. Now let me show you where we have all our berries and stuff growing. So I won't come on the outside over here. Now we have a blueberry patch over here that we started a few years ago, and it's very slow going with these. They take a long time to get established. So some of these plants, like these little ones, we bought online, and they haven't done so great. And then we bought a couple of other ones, which is starting to do good. So you can see there's berries all over these. So this is our little blueberry patch here. If you guys have any tips on how to get more blueberries or how to get them to grow faster or anything like that, I mean, we have put different things in the soil to amend it to help them grow. I just don't know if they just take forever to really get going or not. Well, like I say, it's been a few years. Like I say, these plants here, we do have some berries growing, so that's good. And then we have our other berry area, which is over here. And this is where we have our strawberries and blueberries and raspberries. And again, these are just starting to grow because it's very early in the season. So you can see the plants are doing really well. We cut back on them last year, and they're flourishing really good, getting little buds started. I don't know if flowers starting on them, so that's good. These two are raspberries, I believe. This one is a blackberry bush. Didn't really do much last year. It's got a lot of green on it, so that's good. Hopefully we'll get something out of it this year. And then we get our strawberries growing over here. You can see we're just starting to get some strawberries now, maybe a little bit. This is a different type of strawberry bush than these. These seem to do really well. This one, I don't know, not so much. I mean, it gets a lot of flowers and stuff, but I don't really get a lot of big strawberries off it, so I'm not sure why that is. But this was the original raised bed that we did, and like I say, it does really good with the berries. So we'll hopefully get another nice batch of berries out of this. So that's pretty much what's going on with the garden this year. Just wanted to show you the raised beds that we were doing, and to see if you guys have any comments or hints or anything about maybe more so on the blueberries, how to get those things going better. Like I say, we've had these for a few years now, but very slow going. But at least they're still green and they're still growing, so I don't know, maybe it just takes a while to get them going. Alright guys, so I just wanted to share that with you. Like I say, it is springtime. We are getting the garden going. If you guys have any other ideas or tricks or tips or suggestions or anything like that, we are still trying to figure out what plants go with what. So we got the green beans with the broccoli. Supposedly those go good together. And then I think the tomatoes and the onions maybe go good together. There's a whole bunch of information out there about what to plant with what to help each other. So probably put some flowers in here too for pollination and different things like that. But that's where we're at. So just wanted to give you an update on the spring garden, and hope you guys are having a good garden yourselves this year. Hopefully we get some good weather. Right now we get some nice weather, which is good because it's been pretty crappy lately. So we're going to enjoy whatever we can get. It's actually Memorial Day weekend, and I hope all you guys are having a great weekend. So that's about it. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, a share, a like, leave any comments you want, and I'll catch you guys later.